It's really, really amazing when you see the operation in 3D dimensions in the video. You imagine yourself inside the video. So please come and have that experience here, please. Yes.
Like augmented reality.
So I just wanted to share some feedback on the workshop so far, which has been fantastic. Very well organized. The staff and our colleagues at Tokyo Medical and Dental School have been fantastic. Really good lectures on a variety of topics, including research, clinical practice, and education. So it mixes all the components that you need in order to deliver maxillofacial prosthodontics teaching in your local institution. The staff and the patients have been very welcoming and very helpful also to have their PhD students also guiding us around and teaching us what they do and how the program works. So I would definitely highly recommend it.
It was an amazing experience to be here in Tokyo Medical and Dental University. I'm really thankful to Professor Sumita and Dr. Esbasti for this amazing opportunity. I really enjoyed these days. I'm learning a lot. I'm having a super good experience with our colleagues, and I really want to, I cannot wait for the next one. Thank you very much.
It's my great honor to participate the second yMPE in TMDU, and here has a very incredible device, and not only their technique, their conventional and the digital techniques clinically, especially their workflow and their attitude about education in the maxillofacial processes. So I am very happy to share and learn some lessons and experience from here. So thank you very much.
This is Gunjan Srivastav. I am from India, and I am very fortunate to be selected for this workshop. This Maxillofacial Prosthetics Educator workshop is a real change, has brought real change in my life, and this TMDU provides us with the latest technology. They introduce us to the latest technology, and with the all variety of the maxillofacial cases, we could see them, and we could learn about the different procedures the practitioners are doing, and this has helped me to learn the new things, and it's very enriching experience for my lifetime. Thank you so much.
I am Dheeraj from New Delhi, India, and I am attending this Young Maxillofacial Prosthetic workshop, and it's an amazing experience for the past 2 days. The type of technology, the type of patient care, the type of infrastructure we are looking here in TMDU, it's really amazing, and it has given so much enrichment to our personal understanding and learning skills that we can impart to our students in our home country. So I will be looking forward for this type of interaction in future, maybe in some other universities also, but whatever I have seen in TMDU, it is really amazing.
I am Professor Balen Singh from King George's Medical University, Lucknow, India, and I am a participant of Young Prosthodontics Educator workshop for Maxillofacial Prosthodontics at Tokyo Medical and Dental University, Japan. I am grateful to the International College of Prosthodontics as well as TMDU faculty, especially Professor Sumita and Dr. Elbasti, for giving an opportunity to learn the basic as well as more advanced cases of the maxillofacial prosthodontics. It is a great opportunity for especially how to interact the clinical work with the research work, as well as the utilization of digital technologies and how to improve the patient-centered outcome for such maxillofacial defect cases. And I'm grateful again, and I must extend my sincere thank to coming generation to get benefit for such workshop in near future. Thank you one and all.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank MaxPros TMDU for organizing this workshop. So it is for 4 days, and we had a lot of information about dentistry in Japan, and then TMDU, and about MaxPros in TMDU. So we had lectures and clinical case observation and clinical exposure, and various people are also invited from various countries like US, Netherlands and other countries. And we also had some exposure to digital technologies that I recently used in dentistry, and we also have hands-on on these technologies, so it was quite informative. Thank you.
So hi, my name is Jun, and so I had 2 lectures for you for this workshop. So yesterday I had the lecture for Japanese education, and today I had a lecture for a workshop, hands-on workshop for VR education. And so I was impressed by all participants from all the world, and so I got many suggestions from you, and so I learned much from you this time. So I hope you bring back this knowledge and the future view to your country and to your clinic and to your school, and also to enhance more fruitful education for the future for your students. Thank you very much for participating in this workshop. Thanks so much.
このような貴重な機会をいただきありがとうございます。ソニーの技術がですね、この業界で非常に役に立ってて非常に光栄だと考えています。ぜひ今後ともいろいろ活用いただいて、新しいご意見とか要望いただければ私たちの方でもサポートしていきたいと思いますのでよろしくお願いします。
Hi everyone, and I'm Itamiya Tomoki from Kanagawa Dental University, and in second workshop, and I'd like to introduce you to the latest version of 3D imaging technology. In 2019, the first workshop, I presented the mixed reality and using the augmented reality goggle like the Microsoft HoloLens. And after a year, and the technology advanced, and I introduced this workshop the spatial reality display. Spatial reality display means the display can display the 3D stereoscopic image and without use any glasses. And you can take a look at the 3D and the model and the 3D movie by using your naked eye. There are no need to any devices like Google. And we developed the software to take a look at the 3D model and the 3D video. And if you have an STL data, the OBJ data, or DICOM data, the CT, a convex CT, MRI, and so on, they easily take a look at the 3D image, stereoscopic image, and in real time. And also, you can take a look at the 3D movie and captured by a stereoscopic camera. That you can take a look at the very precise and very realistic the operational movie, and with no need to wear the goggle. And also, I will introduce the history of mixed reality or virtual reality, and I'd like to introduce the future of the virtual reality and mixed reality and spatial reality. And I'd like to talk to you and hands-on seminar with also, and I will do the workshop and by using the real patient's data. And I'd like to introduce the latest data and the future of this kind of technology for all dentists and educators. Thank you so much.
I'm Sumita Yuka. I'm a director of the clinic for Maxillofacial Prosthetics. Then this time we can welcome 9 participants from all over the world. It's very honorable for us to be a host of you. Fortunately, we can get the ICP grant, and also this time, IFDC from TMDU is also supporting us a lot. So many tasks they do it. So firstly, I would like to say thank you to the officer of IFDC in TMDU. So during this 4 days workshop, I hope everybody can have a very good relation. That's the most important thing. And then secondly, we needed to think about the future. We have so many maxillofacial patients, but unfortunately the number of clinicians, number of research about the maxillofacial prosthetics is decreasing. So we needed to educate the young generation. So it's quite important for us. So we have a duty to educate the others. So when we talk about the education, to educate the students is also important. Educate the general prosthodontist, general dentist is also important. And again, educate the student, educate the patient, and the patient's family is also important, because head and neck cancer patients have a very troubling and then some severe impairments, severe functional impairment. At that time, the supporting from family, friends is also quite important. So we need to make a good relationship with the patient. At that time, if we can explain clearly and educate them, must be good to get the good result. So 4 days, shall we do and then cooperate together to help our patients? That is a very important message from me.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the second international workshop for young maxillofacial prosthetic educators. We are happy that we established this kind of workshop to share our experience and knowledge about maxillofacial prosthetics. This time, we're fortunate to organize it at Tokyo Medical and Dental University in Japan with the support of the International Development course at the Tokyo Medical and Dental University. The workshop mainly supported by a grant from the International College of Prosthodontists and also supported by the International Journal of Maxillofacial Prosthetics. So far, we had 9 participants from different places of the world. They joined us for 4 days, and we are glad that they got a good experience about education. They improved their education skills. They improved the clinical observation skills. Also, they improved the publications. We invited the editor-in-chiefs of the 3 leading international prosthodontic journals to share with us their experience in publications. So the participants got the experience how to access those journals and how to improve their skills. Also, we could manage to have those participants to present a case reports that they treated by themselves, and also they have a good time to observe different cases of maxillofacial defect patients to see the treatment modalities, the options of the treatment that those patients rehabilitated at the largest maxillofacial prosthetic clinic worldwide here in TMDU. So we concluded the workshop with the advanced technology. We are honored to have the Sony Corporation to share with us their latest technology regarding the Sony display, where the participants experienced the naked eye 3D models for different maxillofacial defect cases. Also, we visited the GC Corporation, and participants had a good experience with the products that the GC company produces, equipments, materials, and everything. So that tour added to their value many informations and latest products that the company produces. Having said that, the workshop without any fun activities, it will be still need to be improved. So for that, we established some fun activities that the participants, they can experience the Japanese culture, and some technologies that use it for fun. So we visited the Nissan Cross, where they printed their faces on the in the coffee, and then they drink this this coffee. It was fun and it was interesting. So so far we are glad that we succeeded organizing the second edition of the international workshop for young maxillofacial prosthetic educators. So we are looking forward for the third edition, hopefully in a couple of years. Until that, we are working hard to be more advanced in different ways, so that the workshop will introduce everything new for our community, and that's why we established the international workshop for young maxillofacial prosthetic educators. So thank you so much to support us and make us go forward to present more attractive activities for the community. Thank you so much. We thank you for your time, for the technology that you provided. It's really appreciated. Thank you so much.